Top 5 high-ticket affiliate marketing websites in 2021. Hi guys, today I'm showing you top 5 high-ticket affiliate marketing websites that operate in 2021. So let's get started. So firstly, what is high-ticket affiliate marketing? Now, high-ticket affiliate marketing simply means any affiliate marketing program or product that helps you gain a 50 or 60% profit, where you're making a lot of income. You're getting a good amount of profit from the affiliate marketing. You are getting 50% or 60%. So that's what we call high ticket affiliate marketing. Now there are many programs out there that actually provide high ticket affiliate marketing, and there are then many websites that run these programs. So up first we have Shopify. Now on Shopify we have SaaS affiliate marketing. What is this? It's simply that Shopify will allow you to gain profit from affiliate marketing and do the sales. If you have done a sale, you will be able to get the income and they will pay you for your work. Simple as that. Like, for example, if you have made 10 sales and the sales profit was $100, they're gonna give you that. There is no other way or any other complicated stuff behind it. Like, there's no complicated maths behind it. Simply a simple affiliate marketing, what we call. And Shopify is one of the most leading businesses out there. It has been one of the most famous. If we talk in the sense of affiliate marketing, Shopify is one of the best affiliate marketing providers out there, and it has a lot of opportunities. And you can see right here that trusted by over 1 million plus business worldwide. And we know Shopify is actually amazing, and it has a large audience. So that's actually gives you this opportunity to do the affiliate marketing on Shopify, and you will actually find all of these amazing products. You will find all of these amazing shops and affiliate marketing products that you can do affiliate marketing for on Shopify, and then Shopify will help you earn money. Simple as that. And you will have a high ticket affiliate marketing program on Shopify right here. Then we have health and supplement niche. Now, health and supplement niche, people actually don't know that is one of the most highly paid and what we call high ticket affiliate marketing programs are found in this niche. And when we talk about this niche, there is a website in particular which is Fanfuel. Now, Fanfuel is one of the most famous websites out there, and you can see right here it is an affiliate marketing website that has high ticket affiliate programs. So what happens here is you actually find different products and supplements that are related to your health and fitness niche, and it pays a lot. What happens is you sell the product and you earn profit through it. You do affiliate marketing. These products and these programs can be found on Fanfuel, and Fanfuel actually does other type of affiliate marketing as well. For example, tier 2 commission affiliate marketing, which I will be talking about in a minute. So what happens here is that you can see it is actually very simple to use. Many people actually use Fanfuel for their affiliate marketing. So if I go to affiliates right here, you will be able to see what kind of affiliate programs are there. So you can see right here that there are Fanfuel is actually reshaping affiliate marketing to bring your bigger commissions, quicker payouts, bonus, and in-demand products. So what happens is weekly payouts with no minimums. That's pretty amazing. Repeat customer commissions for life and guaranteed huge 50% commissions until the end of March, or it was then, but they have these lifetime commissions as well. They have recurring commissions as well. They have simple commissions as well. So there are a lot of affiliate marketing programs that can be found on Fanfuel. So that's actually a very good thing about Fanfuel. You can find these amazing affiliate marketing programs and amazing products to do the affiliate marketing for. So what happens is standard affiliate links. This is an overview of how easy it is. You simply do the redirect you links, and then you can actually have a customer. It's pretty amazing if you go through this for in I am actually going to mention other websites as well. So if you want to go through Fanfuel, so I would suggest you do that and read out all of their things on their website, and then you will get an idea that how awesome the Fanfuel is and how it will help you earn these big commissions. So yeah, go ahead and check out Fanfuel right now. Next, we have website hosting. Now, that's another niche which is very famous and helps you earn profit when we talk about affiliate marketing. So, when we talk about affiliate marketing, and if you'll go to Google and you'll type that, website hosting, affiliate marketing programs or websites, you will get a website called Bluehost almost everywhere. It is one of the most top rated hosting affiliate marketing programs out there. So what happens here is that you create your website, you create your landing page for the affiliate marketing. It has, you can see the pricing right here, not that expensive. So what happens is you create your blog, you create your own domain, you create your own landing page where you can do the affiliate marketing. So that's pretty amazing, because website hosting is one of the very highly paid affiliate marketing programs out there. So you can simply do that on Bluehost right here. And other website which is amazing is WPX. It does the same thing. It is a, you can see right here, WPX offers free site speed optimization to maximize your Google Core Web Vital score, and it also serves as a web hosting website where you can do your affiliate marketing. So yeah, WPX is also another amazing option if you're looking for a high ticket affiliate marketing website. So yeah, WPX, an amazing option. Next, we have tier 2 commission affiliate marketing. Now you may ask, what is this? Now tier 2 commission is type of affiliate marketing in which what happens is that you don't do the affiliate marketing, you sign up for a program, then you invite other people into this program, right? And they do the affiliate marketing, but you too get the commission. So you get the commission without doing anything. So that's how tier 2 commission works. And when we talk about tier 2 commission, if you want to do this type of affiliate marketing, then there is a website called Flex Offers that provides tier 2 commission affiliate marketing right here. It's an awesome website that will allow you to do tier 2 commissions and actually has very high ticket affiliate programs for you right here on flexoffers.com. What will happen is that you will actually sign up for the program, and they know that they will ask you to invite, for example, they will say, invite 10 people. And when you will invite 10 people, maybe you will be getting $10 from each of the invited person, right? They're earning $20 and you're getting $10 out of it, or maybe they are earning 50, you're getting 10 out of it. So you will be making maybe $100 a day without doing anything. So that's actually pretty amazing, right? So these kind of, if you're looking for a tier 2 commission affiliate marketing programs, then there is a website called Flex Offers that you must check out. Then we have another niche which is called online courses. So online courses is one of the high ticket affiliate marketing programs out there. And when we talk about online courses, you can come to Coursera, because Coursera is an amazing website where you will find online courses to do affiliate marketing. And when we talk about online courses, I have seen people, go from $100 to $1,000 a month, or maybe, like, I have seen there was this woman that I heard, like, she was telling her story, and she actually mentioned that from online coursing affiliate marketing, she went from $1,000 to $16,000 a month. So that's actually a very good opportunity for you to go and do online courses. So that's pretty amazing. And how this works is that you invite people to online courses, or you can do simple online coursing affiliate marketing. When you will do that, you will simply earn the profit through it, and you get a very good amount. It's one of the highly paid affiliate marketing programs out there. So yeah, when we talk about online course affiliate marketing, there is a website called Coursera that you must check out. So yeah guys, I think this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you will be able to do affiliate marketing, and what are the websites that are actually providing high ticket affiliate marketing programs. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.